Okay, that's my Moto X Pure Editions. I broke it, so look at right there. I'm trying to replace uh, the screen and to see if I can get my data back. So beginning with remove the back cover. And so after I heat up, I can just remove the cover, all the glue over in the back, on here, and there are some small screw like that. They are all around. And you need some special screwdriver. Go look at it. So I got one of these from Amazon, and the screwdriver to use is yep, I think it's T4. Yeah, T4 will work. So we use the T4. And to unscrew, take out all the screw around here. Just take out one of the screw, tiny little screw. Oh, by the way, make sure do not take off this screw, otherwise you have big problems. Not this screw, but the rest. And don't lose those tiny little screws. So total, there are 16 screws to remove. And remove this part. Remove the SIM tray. And remove this part. There's a cover for the connector, and also this part. Another connector. So here, there's a layer between here and the metal case. This is the battery. So just rip it open like this. Yeah, the plastic part was holding to that part, so that's the battery. And if the battery is good, you can still use it and save it. Okay, there's 3 screws here on the battery. There's one here I'm taking out, the second one here, and the third one here. So then now it can come out, throw back plate. and there's a glue behind, between, and to hold the battery, and then we onto the cover and remove some of the glue. And also there's glue holding this. Take it out. Make sure you don't rip the cable. And you can take the whole battery out. Okay, the motherboard here. Unplug this. And another screw holding this. You use one hand, but I want to screw and then it will come out. And then on this side here, you move this cable out. And then the motherboard come out. I got a donor phone from eBay, and the screen is good. Just the cover, screen cover. I'm gonna remove the screw and everything and see what happened. That's a donor phone. Removing the screw. Just all around here. Same thing, remove the rubber. Here. Another one here. Remove that cover. Another one here. I removed it already. Check. And just gently open it. Don't damage the screen. To remove SIM card. This thing will come off. Okay, to remove the motherboard, remember remove the screw right there. You need to get the T3 instead of T4 to remove it. So I've loosened it already. Also this part, connect to the screen, you need to take it out. I'm gonna take it out like that. Okay. That's it. Take this one out. Next thing is take this out from this one. So the motherboard will come out pretty easy, these two. That's the my motherboard. The broken one, remember to take over here. I'm just slip between here. See, this part goes here, and the screen. things go in here. This go here, and this go in here. So what I did is push it in here, and this one I press it down. You don't forget to put the screw here to hold the board. G is to put the cover. Back. And make sure everything fit right. So remember, here goes connect to the power of the battery, and this connect to the motherboard. Screw on 4 corners in the middle to hold it, and then we test it. Okay, reconnect this part to the motherboard and the power supply connector here, and put all the screw back all around. And this one this way, and we'll get some table glue, put this one back. Oh, don't forget, put this here, just a hole. Start the machine, see working out. Oh wow, it works. Start up.
Hello, Moto.
It works.